What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eniola and I do all things skincare, beauty and wellness. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to achieve smooth, fresh, even toned legs. If that sounds like something that you are interested in, then of course continue to watch. Let me start by saying that today we are dealing with epidermal surface scars from mosquito bites. Like when I was growing up, I fell into a ditch and that caused a scar on one part of my leg. One time again, I had a motorcycle accident and they had to put like a plaster on it or something, and that turned into a scar. We are not covering keratosis pilaris, aka strawberry legs. We are not covering stretch marks in today's video. If you have acute skin issues, make sure that you consult with an esthetician or a dermatologist for a laser tailored skincare approach that would fix that for you. In today's video, we are covering epidermal surface scars from mosquito bites, texture irregularities, complexion irregularities, and you just want your skin to be even, smooth and fresh on your legs. Also, I want you to understand that people confuse hips, thighs, in between the thighs as leg. No, your leg starts from the upper part of your kneecap to your foot. That is the part of the leg we are covering in today's video. Now, step one, if you want to have fresh, even toned legs that are smooth and glazed like donuts, that looks glowy and soft, you have to first of all remove hair. That means if you have long thick hair on your legs, you cannot achieve a smooth leg if you have long thick hair all over it. You have to first of all do what is called hair removal. Now personally, I don't really have hairs growing that are long and visible on my legs, thank God. But if you do, there is a very quick, effective, non-irritable way to go about removing those hairs on your legs. First, you will have to use a shaving cream, or you will use a gentle soap on that area, work it up into a lather, and then you will use a shaving stick. You will use a shaving stick on that area to gradually remove the hair. From your legs. You first of all work the shaving cream on your skin, apply it generously and evenly to cover the hair, or you will work a gentle moisturizing soap into a lather on your leg to make sure that the hair is soft enough for the blade or the stick to remove without cuts, bumps or irritation. So when that lather has been formed, you will go in gentle vertical downward motions like this in the area that the hair is growing towards, okay, and you will remove it. That's the first thing. But it is about the technique. It is more of the technique than the product, okay? Now that you have removed the hair, we will go in with a gentle cleansing procedure. Because the hair on your leg is now soft and removed, and we are looking at your bare skin, we have to be very, very careful with the other products that we'll be following in with. Because if you use harsh soaps all over those areas, your skin is going to get irritated and you will not like how it will feel, okay? So we will go in with a gentle, soft, moisturizing soap and what? A washcloth. That means if you have a soft towel or something, you will use it on that area, or you have a soft sponge or something, or a dry brush that is soft, you will first lather with a soap or a shower gel in this instance, and then you will use the brush, the cloth or the net on that area in gentle circular motions like this, okay, on your legs from your kneecap down. Now once you are done cleansing, we have removed the dirt, we have removed the grease and we have removed the hair. It is now time for the first step in your routine that will directly target the scars and the tone. Let me explain. So the first step was to remove hair. That has nothing to do with you maintaining the freshness and the smoothness and the even tone of your skin. No, it is just for us to get that formality out of the way. The second step is just cleansing. That is to remove dirt and debris and germs and oil from the surface of your skin. This next step is the first step that would directly impact how well those scars are going to blend, fade or even out into your skin tone. And this step is called exfoliation. The product that you are using is going to significantly tell whether those scars are going to fade, remain there, or heal as fast as possible. Now, first things first, exfoliation helps to remove dead skin cells, but also to trigger collagen and elastin on the surface of the skin. So that means by you rubbing a gentle sugar scrub on your legs or on any part of your body, now you are stimulating collagen on that part of your skin, and of course circulation is taking place, a lot of blood flow is taking place, and collagen is triggered to be produced in order to encourage that freshness, that smoothness, and of course the quick fading of those scars. So now I would encourage you to use a gentle sugar scrub with vitamin C. We are using vitamin C now because we want to brighten up those scars and allow our tone to be even. We are using sugar scrub because we want something that is gentle, that will exfoliate our skin without dehydrating or drying up the moisture of the skin. That's why we are using a sugar scrub with vitamin C, like this one from Tree Hut. Okay, so this one is the one you are going to use. You're not going to use it either with your hand, whichever one, or with an African wash net. Now you first scoop that on your damp, wet skin. Please, it is wrong for you to exfoliate your skin when there's no moisture or there's no water on it. That is just going to lead to irritation and more scars, and you don't want that. So on damp skin, you will take a little bit of the scrub and then apply it in gentle motions on that area. Then you will now take your wash net and you will start to gradually scrub. Make sure you target the joint area like your kneecap, okay, and of course in between your ankles, in between your toes, and of course your toe caps. Those are the areas that you will need to focus the circulation on. Also, please note that if you have certain areas on your leg that has the scar, make sure that you're paying extra attention to that area. Now that we are done with hair removal, gentle cleansing, and exfoliation, it is time for you to start building your moisture levels, and that is where your lightweight body lotion is going to come into play. And personally, I use the Nivea Perfect and Radiant with vitamin C and UV filters, and I've seen a huge difference with how the skin on my leg feels because I've used it for about a few months now. But my watchword is this: make sure that you're using a cream that is highly moisturizing, because if your skin is dehydrated, it is going to be very hard for your scars to heal up and to blend into your skin. Okay, now you will go in with that lotion, apply it generously. I see a lot of people doing something like this. They will take only small lotion into their hand like this, small lotion like this, rub it like this, and then this is all they will use on 2 legs. No, you will scoop a lot of lotion, this much, all right, and then you will apply it generously. This small one is only for your leg, that's 1 leg. You will take another one like this for the second leg, because you want to make sure that your skin is highly moisturized. This is important because we have exfoliated, we have cleansed. So the tendency that your skin is dry and needs a lot of moisture is going to be very high. And by skin now, I'm talking about your legs. So when you are done with the moisturizing with either a lightweight lotion depending on your skin type, or something that is a little bit rich and thick depending on your skin type, you would now go in with a body butter. This is a trick that most people don't talk about. Sis, if you just use body lotion on your legs, those accident scars are not going to heal. The mosquito bite scars are not going to heal. Those spots that have been there since you were 6 years old, they will not go. You have to use a body butter, and a body butter just mimics the skin's natural oil sebum production. Body butter is going to help to soften and smoothen out the tone and the complexion of your legs. This is important because a lot of people just use a body lotion. They forget that a body lotion can either be lightweight or thick. And it doesn't offer enough coverage or long-lasting moisture throughout the day. So I always encourage people that don't just stop at the lotion on your legs, especially when you have scars and you want to have that even fresh tone, feel and look to it. Make sure that you are going in with a body butter. I've been using this coconut body butter from DermV. I've been using it for a while now, and I use this particularly for my legs. See, look at it. For my legs, you will scoop the same proportion that I described earlier, 1 large size to be applied on one leg, another large size to be applied on the second leg, and you will focus on the joint areas. A lot of people just cream their skin and they forget the joint. The joint is where the pigmentation and the darkening is. If you want your kneecap, that's the tone and the complexion of your kneecap, to blend with the rest of your leg, you have to cream it properly and make sure that you are working the butter and the lotion into that part of the skin, because it is the part of the skin that has a lot of joint movement. Joint movement means that moisture tends to escape from that part of that skin very, very frequently compared to the rest of the skin. So you want to make sure that you moisturize and you use your body butter perfectly on that area. It will glide easily. If you've moisturized before using your body butter, the butter will cling to more moisture and encourage your skin to become soft, even and smooth. That is the work of the body butter. The next one now is the use of a body glowing oil. Now, I go the extra mile. If I'm wearing a skirt, a dress that I know is going to reveal my leg or reveal some parts of my feet, I always use a body oil, because sometimes the butter might not be rich enough and it might not offer me that express glow. So if I know that I want that glow to be so vivid and I want it to give a compelling, beautiful appearance, I would go in with a body oil. You will take a generous amount. Sis, don't mind the oil, okay? Just take a generous amount on your arm, on your palm, all right? Because I've done it today, I don't want to use too much. On your palm, see, rub it like this and focus on one leg. Take on that joint area, that's your kneecap. Make sure that you are creaming it properly. This is your kneecap, and then this is the rest of your leg. Then you will now cream the rest of your leg. Your hands, this hand signifies your toes. You will now bend your toes like this and start to rub the oil on those areas. That is exactly what you're going to do with the butter and with the lotion. If you don't do it that way, your scars are not going to fade. I'm telling you what I've done that has healed mosquito scars, that has healed accident scars. I fell into the ditch. I had a motorbike accident. Those scars are going to heal if you do it this way. Now, the content of your oil should either be coconut oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, which one now? There's another one, grapeseed oil. These are oils that encourage collagen production and that will just allow your skin to glow. Now, once you are done with the oil is what blends and evens out your complexion. So if you only stopped at cleansing and you didn't exfoliate, that means you are not getting rid of dead skin cells, and that means you are not doing anything with brightening. If you only stopped at exfoliation and you didn't use your body lotion, that means your legs are not properly moisturized and the scars are not going to heal at all. Now, if you only stopped at body lotion and you didn't use body butter, that means your legs are not going to be smooth and soft. You only stopped at body butter and you didn't use a glow oil, that means your skin is not going to be even and blended. Do you see how everything all connects together to make a cohesive whole? That is how to get fresh, even toned legs, okay? Now, that is what you are going to do from your kneecap, this part of your knee, straight down to your leg, and of course your toes. Do not forget your ankle cap, because some people forget the ankle cap and you are wondering why that place is darker than the rest of your leg. If you don't cream your kneecap properly, I'm telling you, the pigmentation there is going to look like you are bleaching, and you are not. It's because you are just skipping it and you are not taking care of it, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Have you been practicing these steps, and are your legs even and glowy? If you need help with strawberry legs or keratosis pilaris, which is the dermatological name for it, you need to see a dermatologist. All these quick gimmicks and stuff will not fix it completely. They have medical grade products that they will recommend for you that will target that issue once and for all. Don't be afraid to save up your money to fix your skin issues once and for all, instead of doing trial and error, okay? That is my own advice for you. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and you found this very, very helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, give me a huge thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.